Hi everybody, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week I want to talk about newsjacking. Newsjacking is when you take something that's going on in the world right now that's trending, whether it's trending on Twitter or on Google or just in the news in general, and applying your expertise to that. So the story breaks and it's hot and they want to continue talking about that story. What can you do to provide expertise to it? You can take a national story and bring it locally. What does it mean for your local community or your local business atmosphere? Or you can take a story that might be local that's big and trending, and what does that mean nationally? So that is newsjacking. If you like this week's tip, I invite you to join our no-cost PR challenge at yourprchallenge.com. It takes 10 days. It's not even 10 minutes a day. I promise going through the entire challenge, you will get more visibility for your business. So I'm super excited to see you in the challenge, and I can't wait to see you in the media.